Hello, we're going to learn how to take a blank banner and create a banner out of nothing. So to do that, we need to pick which category we're creating a banner for. So if you're creating a softball banner for your girls softball team, you need to go to the girls softball or to the softball section and select any of the templates that are available to you. This way you'll have the softball clip art available to you as you're building your banner from scratch. So I'll just open up this banner right here. The designer now opens, and I am going to start a clean slate by on these buttons that are on the top. I'm going to click on delete all. And then I will say yes and confirm that I want to delete everything. So now I have a blank slate. First thing that I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and add a team name by clicking in the upper left hand corner where it says add additional text to banner. I'm going to call our team the Little Cuties. There's many ways you could do this. I could create little cuties like this, and then I'm going to go pick a nice font for it, I'll use my Jabberwocky font. I can now resize it so it sits right in the middle of the page, nice and big and bold. And since our team colors are pink and white, I'm going to go ahead and make the Little Cuties a pink font by coming over to this color selector and picking pink. Next thing that I want to do is I'm going to add the girls' names to the banner. So I'm going to click on add additional text to the banner. And we'll add our girls' names. We have Alex, Nikki, Julie, Kayla, Kaylee, and Tammy. So I have them, and I'm going to go ahead and select OK. So now they're over here on the left. If I need to edit them, I can edit them. And on the banner itself, I'm going to position them the way I want them, and I'm going to resize it just a little bit. So I've now got the girls' names on the left side of the banner. What I want to do now is I'm going to go put them on the right side of the banner for the rest of the girls that are on the team by duplicating the box that is currently selected by selecting the duplicate button. So now I have them, they're the same size. That's why I want to use the duplicate button. I could have created a new text box, but instead I chose to duplicate them. What I'll first do is I'm going to select right justification for this box because they're going to be on the right. Now notice that all the names on the right hand side line up. I'm going to go ahead and put it over here. And I'm going to go to the currently editing text box off to the left, and I'm going to highlight all these girls' names so I can now add the rest of the girls' names to the banner. We have Sharon, Lizzie, Susan, and we have America and Unique. So these are the girls that are on our team. Next thing I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and get a background for the team by selecting in the middle of the banner where there's nothing. That is the background, and it will pull up the background that are available to us. Or I can select the button change background on banner. So we have these backgrounds that are available, and notice we have blue backgrounds, red backgrounds, green backgrounds. We have camouflage backgrounds, flags, but I'm going to go ahead and just use a regular softball themed background. And before I do that, let me show you that you could just have a different color for background. I can select the colors that are over here. Let's say I wanted to have a light gray background, and I could put a pink border on the background by using my border selector, which is down here at the bottom. But for right now, I'm not going to have a border. I'm going to click on none, and I'm going to go back to a white background. And I'm going to browse the backgrounds that are available to me. So I am going to pick this softball field. And when I bring that up, notice all my text kind of gets lost. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a black stroke to it. I select on the text object, and then I come back down here on stroke, and I just select the black. So notice there's a black stroke around Little Cuties. I'm going to grab the girl's names on the left. I'm going to select the stroke. I'm going to select the girl's name on the right. I'm going to select the stroke. You can always go back and change colors. So, for example, Little Cuties is pink. Let's say I don't like that pink and I want to see what it would look like with a white color. That's okay. Or a yellow. Or a blue. But our colors are pink, so let's keep it pink. The next thing that I want to add is a hero image to the middle of the banner. I could upload some artwork, or I can go ahead and click on the add additional clip art to the banner, which I'm doing right here. Now, again, we have lots of artwork available to us, no matter what your kid's team's name is. We've got volcanoes and dolphins and princesses, and we have cats and animals and birds and bees, lots of different animals. But here I'm going to just go ahead and pick a girl player in a pink uniform to be the center hero image, browsing those that are available to us up here in the thumbnail viewer. I like this one. We're going to bring her in, and now once I select on her, I can make her a little bit bigger. Put her right in the middle. Bring little cuties up. I'll probably take little cuties, and I'm going to select send to front on little cuties so it's in front of the girl. One more thing that we probably want to add is a coach's name. So, Coach Tanya and Diane. You could also add a team mom if you wanted. So I'm going to take Coach Tanya and Diane, and I am going to just make them a little bit smaller, send them off down here, and we got ourselves a banner. That's how you do it. It's pretty simple. Have fun. Thank you very much.